should be recording, yes. So it's time to look at the solution from the first Python challenge. And here's the code again. It has now some extra line time that is used to measure the time of execution, where we use time, and s to get a start time, and the same time after we have called the solution of the challenge, which I come to in a second, and end time, and we measure the execution time. Now executing the code looks like this. So we use some, what is this? In nanoseconds, 1, 2, 3, 6 milliseconds to execute this code. Okay, so the solution could be a list comprehension, right, where we iterate over the selection and select the items of my list, running over the iterator I and forming a new list. Right, so running the code again, and we are at like 7 milliseconds if I'm not mistaken. Now a different solution could look like this. So we define my selection as list over an iterator where we use the map function, right? And the map function or method takes a function and runs it over some iterators. Now the function we need to select here will be a member of the myList object, and it will be getItem. Now we can, since we have some code here to run already in that console, see what does getItem. So when we have myList, getItem, and we give it an argument, let's say 4, we actually get the fourth, well, what should be the fifth element, index 4, of that list, right? It also works with dictionaries and tuples. So this is the method that returns an object of a sequence. And so map takes a function and maps an iterator on that function. Here the iterator will be iSelect. Let me see, brackets is wrongly. And the method itself returns an iterator, and the iterator can be made in a list with a list method. Now executing it. And it should be a little bit faster than the solution with a loop, because we don't loop. Okay, that's it. So 2 solutions to the challenge. Right. Okay.